Very good afternoon, guys, from Raymond Terrace, a little town about 25 kilometers from Newcastle in New South Wales in Australia. So we just checked into this nice little motel at Sleepy Hill Motor Inn, Sleepy Hill Motel, and a nice and clean room, as you see. And we are going to explore around here. There are apparently some really nice beaches not so far from here, so that's the project for tomorrow. Apparently there is a swimming pool as well at this place, so actually we're going to have a look at that first. I don't know if we're going to swim or not. I think we will. Good morning from Raymond Terrace. This is the next day. We arrived here last night, and we are on the way to explore the area, going to Nelson Bay and see some few beaches and all that. But first we had a coffee, and we are on our way soon. It's just a nice little town, country town. Let's have a look at the main street quickly. Yeah, shops, coffee shops, restaurants. And it's very, very quiet. This is like kind of a medium range coffee. It's okay, drinkable. So our first stop, guys, is Newcastle, another large city in New South Wales, and we are actually at Nobby's Beach. So let's go and look around here. So it's a nice park here on the beach, and apparently there's a lighthouse as well. So see if we can make it there. I think there's just a short walk from here. I'm not quite sure how it's gonna look like. Is it a traditional lighthouse or is it modern? I don't know. I think that's where we're going. Doesn't look like a lighthouse. Used to be a railway coming up here for loading and unloading the ships, I guess. Let's take a look at it. Unfortunately, there won't be a lighthouse today.
Oh, it's only open on Saturday and Sunday.
Unfortunately, today is Tuesday. It appears that we are not very lucky with the lighthouses. This is closed today, and the other one we meant to visit on Palm Beach. The rain stopped us. Nice. There's another beach as well.
People swimming here.
Yeah. Now you can see a better view from the lighthouse.
I think you could climb
Look at those rocks. Wow.
I think you could climb that.
I'm filming you.
No, you're not.
Not me.
No. That's illegal.
Okay guys, so let's move on to the next one. I think it's going to be Nelson Bay. It's about 40-50 kilometers from here. So, but we might have lunch actually first. We'll see what we can find in town in Newcastle.
Nobby.
I almost said towns, but
Nobby.
so it's a Nobby beach. Beautiful spot. Highly recommended. Nice walk, nice beach,
Go on a
nice
weekend.
weather. So of course this is a working port and cargo ships coming and going. So but now it's lunchtime first and have to find some food. Stopped in Newcastle's City Centre.
It turns out that finding lunch was not an easy task. You will see what happens next. Many of the restaurants were closed.
Italian, you want?
Huh?
Italian.
Okay.
Well, I guess won't be Italian because it's closed. It's still holiday mode some places. Jones Carver, I don't think so. Looks like this hasn't been used for a while. Okay. Looks like an abandoned shopping center. Maybe not here this time. Pass on this as well. After some search we found some food. Is it yummy? What is it?
Chicken.
Yeah, nice. And a burger. Welcome to Nelson Bay. So this is another beach, another lovely holiday spot. You know, where the beach was a lot nicer than this. But there's still a lot of people around, being school holidays and all that, and fishing. Cooking on the beach. So further away from that beach, now we are on Shore Bay. This seems like a bit more quiet.